Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm beyond excited to share this space with you today. A warm welcome, I'm so happy you're here. Puffy eye bags are swollen or distended areas beneath the eyes, often caused by fluid retention, aging, or fatigue. Waking up with puffy under eye bags can be very frustrating, whether it's due to a late night, stress, or just life catching up with you. Those puffy, swollen bags under your eyes can make you look tired and worn out. In this video, we will reveal to you 8 incredible home remedies that can help you get rid of those pesky under eye bags fast and leave you looking refreshed and energized. From simple kitchen ingredients to quick and easy techniques, these remedies will have your under eye area looking smoother, firmer, and brighter in no time. So if you're tired of dealing with tired looking eyes, stick around. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Number 1, egg white mask. Applying egg whites under the eyes is a popular remedy for reducing puffiness and firming the skin. Egg whites are rich in proteins and collagen-boosting amino acids that help firm and tone the skin. The astringent properties in egg whites work by temporarily tightening the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and sagging, and providing an instant lifted effect that can make tired eyes look refreshed. The tightening effect also enhances microcirculation, which can help drain excess fluid from the area. In fact, in a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science, 25 participants applied egg white masks on their faces. And the researchers measured skin tightness before and after application using a cutometer. Results showed that their skin elasticity improved by 35% immediately after application, with a 25% reduction in visible puffiness. To use this remedy, whisk an egg white until frothy. Then gently apply it with a brush or fingertip to the under eye area. Let it dry completely, which may take around 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll feel the skin tightening as it dries. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Number 2, tea bags. It turns out tea isn't just for sipping, so before you throw away your used tea bags, hear us out. Both green and black teas are packed with caffeine, which helps constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. They also contain tannins, which are compounds that can tighten the skin and reduce swelling. The antioxidants in tea, particularly green tea, also have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness and calm the skin around the eyes. Chamomile, in particular, has natural calming properties that help alleviate irritation and reduce redness. All you need to do is steeping 2 tea bags in hot water, and while you enjoy your tea, let the tea bags cool in the refrigerator. Number 3, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is highly effective for soothing and revitalizing the delicate skin under the eyes, making it an excellent remedy for reducing puffiness and dark circles. The gel is packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E, and natural enzymes and polysaccharide. These compounds have anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and moisturizing properties. Adding to that, aloe vera also stimulates fibroblast activity. These components hydrate and repair skin, boosting collagen production and reducing the appearance of wrinkles, making the skin around the eyes appear fresher and more radiant. Consequently, this improves skin elasticity and reduces sagging under the eyes. Simply apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel under the eyes, gently massage it in with your fingertips, moving from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eye. Let the gel absorb for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can either rinse it off with cool water or leave it on overnight for deeper hydration and repair. According to a paper published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology 2008, aloe vera led to a 25% increase in collagen synthesis and a 30% improvement in skin elasticity. This was after 50 participants who applied aloe vera gel on one side of the face for 90 days, while a placebo was applied to the other side. Number 4, cucumber slices. Cucumbers contain bioactive compounds such as cucurbitacins and antioxidants like quercetin. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce oxidative stress in the skin around the eyes. Well, oxidative stress is a type of damage that body cells suffer from due to the accumulation of harmful compounds called free radical. Thankfully, cucumbers can successfully combat these compounds. In a research published in the Journal of Medicinal Plant Research, cucumber extract reduced skin inflammation by 48% and oxidative stress by 42% in treated tissues. Not to mention, the cold temperature also helps shrink blood vessels, which can reduce puffiness almost immediately. To get all these benefits, slice a fresh cucumber and chill the slices in the refrigerator. Place the slices over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat twice daily to see improvement. Number 5, coconut oil massage. Coconut oil is a versatile and nourishing remedy for reducing under eye bags and promoting healthy skin. Rich in fatty acids, particularly lauric acid, coconut oil provides deep hydration, helping to moisturize the delicate skin around the eyes. Its emollient properties create a protective barrier that locks in moisture, preventing dryness and improving skin elasticity, which can help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This reduces water loss from the upper skin layers, leading to plump skin. This minimizes the appearance of under eye bags. Gently massage a small amount of coconut oil under your eyes before bedtime. Leave it on overnight and rinse with cool water in the morning. Repeat daily. According to studies, skin treated with coconut oil showed a 68% improvement in skin hydration and a 45% improvement in skin barrier function. Number 6, hydration. Dehydration can lead to dryness, which can exacerbate the appearance of under eye bags and dark circles as the skin loses its natural moisture and suppleness. Well hydrated, the skin appears plumper, more elastic, and less prone to puffiness and fine lines. Hydration also supports skin turgor, the skin's ability to return to its normal shape, which help to reduce the appearance of under eye bags. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider incorporating hydrating foods into your diet. Avoid excessive salt intake, as it can lead to fluid retention and worsen under eye bags. Number 7, potato slices. Potatoes contain enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants that help lighten skin tone and reduce swelling. They are also rich in starch, which has astringent properties that can tighten the skin and minimize puffiness. Additionally, the coldness of the slices, when chilled, can further aid in narrowing the blood vessels. In the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, a study was published where the effects of potato juice on hyperpigmentation. In 20 participants was tested over 6 weeks. The potato extract was applied twice daily to affected areas. The study observed a 28% reduction in hyperpigmentation and a 35% decrease in inflammation. So slice a raw potato and chill the slices in the refrigerator. Just place the slices over your eyes for 15 minutes. Repeat daily for best results. Number 8, rose water. Rose water is a versatile and soothing natural remedy that is highly beneficial for the delicate skin around the eyes. This is because rose water is rich in phenolic compounds, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce puffiness, redness, and irritation while providing a calming effect. Furthermore, rose water has a mild astringent effect, meaning it tightens the skin and helps decrease under-eye puffiness. Just soak in cotton pads in chilled rose water and place them over your closed eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. Use this remedy twice daily for the best results. Here you have it, our top 8 home remedies to help you effectively combat under-eye bags. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please share your thoughts or questions below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to join me today. Your support means a lot, and I hope you found the content valuable.